Hello everybody, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be doing a little video showing you how to load and unload this Agfa medium format 6x9 film camera. If you like this type of videos, a like would help me out a lot. It shows the YouTube algorithm I make videos worthy of showing to others. And hit that subscribe button, it shows me I make helpful and interesting content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So in order to load your film camera here, you need a roll, of course. I got this test roll for testing purposes. So to open the back, under the holder here, you have this lever. There's an arrow below here. You just push it according to the arrow, this way, up. And just like that, the back door should open up. Now to load your Agfa film camera, you of course need a roll. This is a test roll I got here. And you need an empty pickup spool. To open the camera while holding it this way with the red window here, according to the arrow, you push this tab up this way, just like that, and raise it up higher. And your camera should open up just like that. Now, the load with film will go to this side. You just raise up this tab over here, load in your roll, close the tab so it locks in, and your pickup spool goes to the opposite side. Raise this tab, put in the pickup spool, just like that. And then you just take your film leader, you raise this crank lever here, you insert the end of the film there, and you start winding your film. Of course, you should remember which way you're winding your film, because this can wind both ways. So I always wind it like this, so it winds down this way just like that. And since there's no marking here where the start position should be, I like to get this start sign right here in the center, and at this point you can close the back. Just you have to be mindful because the edges over here, this edge and this silver metal part, they have to go in between. There's little ledges here in between them on opposite sides. So you have to aim them in there and lock the camera, just like that. In order to know what frame you're on, you look through this window over here. When you keep on cranking, first you get arrows pointing that there's something coming, and then you got a circle, smaller one, even smaller one, even smaller one. That means the number's coming up, just like that. And what I like to do to know what frame I'm on and if I shot that frame or not yet, because of course you have to wind it after each shot. When I keep the number on the left side of these arrows, that means I still didn't shoot it. To shoot it, I just set the number at the arrows. And at that time, you can fold this down, you open the camera, and you take your shot. More about how to use this camera in a video about how to use this camera. So after I take the shot, before I put the camera away, I wind my next frame so the number starts showing on the left side here. And at that point, I can hide my camera or do whatever I want. Then I know that when the number's on this side, I still didn't take that frame. And when I'm ready to shoot, I just wind this frame to the arrows. I take the shot and I repeat the process. 6th, 7th frame, so 8th frame, and you start seeing lines going through. That means you're done. You got the E over here. That's the E from the exposed side on the paper. So you keep rolling. And as you see, when the paper's gone from here, that means you rolled the whole spool onto this pickup spool over here. That means this roll is done. You have 8 shots in the 6x9 format on 120 film. So now, again, you should put this back down, hide it so it's easier to take out the film, put the lever up and open the camera, and you have all your film on the pickup spool over here. So you just flip this up, take out your film. While you're at it, you can flip up this lever and change your pickup spool back to this side, just like that, and put in a new roll on this side. And that is how you load and unload film from your Agfa camera. If you want to know how to use this camera, feel free to check out the video linked down in the description below. So this, my friends, was how to load and unload film from your Agfa medium format 6x9 film camera. If you'd like to see a video about how to use it and a little review video about it, they will be linked down in the description below when they are done as well. If you would like to help out the channel, like and subscribe. There's a donation link in the description down below. You could also donate through channel memberships. And if you'd want more bang for your buck, look into channel subscriptions, where from $1 a month, you can see all the videos I make ahead of time. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.